Do you ever stop and think? What if I hadn't taken that road? What if I'd chased my passion and not someone else's? Would things be different? Or would your life still be on hold just for one more day and one more dollar? These are the questions I asked myself before I made this decision. Is it the right decision? Only time will tell. But I know without a doubt, I'm leaving all my cards on the table. I'm chasing this passion till it dies. If you want to follow my journey, please subscribe to me on YouTube and reach out to me on Instagram. I look forward to getting to know each and every one of you. Until next time, Beau out.